What the fuck is up, motherfuckers? Here we got a new fucking review. I ain't ready for this one. Yes. Air Force One. Carhatt Brown Ale. Size 9, you already know. Small dick gang. I bought them on StockX. They were not cheap at all. They fucked me. That's what they did. They fucked me. But, I mean, I guess because, they're hard to get. The fuck, I just lost power. Alright, and we're back. But, yeah, this is, how much I paid for these pieces of shit. $166 is the bid. Sales tax $15, $4.98 processing, and then $13 fucking dollars in shipping. Fuck me, right? But at least I got them. I really like these, so I fucking got some, and I paid the price. God damn it! And he sent me a little fucking picture. I don't know what the fuck this is. Collectible. Welcome. How stock is live marketplace. Streetwear, collectibles, handbags, and watches. Boy, we're so much more than that. We're about so much more than that. I'm reading through the camera. Rip. Stock X is about access. Something available. Always a pair for true market price. Fuck you. Fuck you. 166. Fuck off. What is that supposed to be? Fucking a cross. Skull and crossbones, Mickey Mouse. Get the fuck out of here. But yeah, this is it, boys. Straight fire, corduroy, the brown, tan, beige, off white, whatever the fuck you want to call it, canvas with the little, not gold, but little metal holes. The corduroy is fucking nice. I think this is like... No, it wasn't. It's not. I thought it was that glow in the dark. I mean that... Not translucent. That 3M material that fucking shines. Reflective material. There you go. But it's not. It's leather. And then on top of it, canvas. It has... I think these laces are... No, they're not reflective either. But yeah, nice laces. Fucking I like that metal detail right here, that brass or whatever, corduroy. And on the back, boy, some straight fire. They got this little loop, it says Air Force One, corduroy, clips back on. Pretty cool. I like that. Kind of huge, but nice. I got the stupid tag. I'm taking it off. Bottom fresh as fuck. The inside, boy, I tell you what, it's fucking nice. It's like I don't even know what material. What is it? Flannel material kind of type shit. Orange Nike Air. Inside. God damn, it's fucking windy out there. This one has a Nike logo right here. Nike Air Force One. And the only difference on this one is right here is going to have the Carhatt logo. Looks pretty fucking legit. I like that. That was pretty nice. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Corduroy, the button in the back, canvas over leather, Nike check, corduroy right here, and canvas. And the sole is just white, I think. I can't tell. It might be a little bit creamier. I think it's just straight up white with a little bit of beige in it. I'm not too sure. Yeah, I already wore them a little bit. Had to flex on motherfuckers. Anything else? No, that's pretty much it. Yeah. Next up, I think I'm trying to get the camel ones, the camel whip with the strap instead of the laces. They're kind of cool. I like them. But yeah. And after that, I'm trying to get the Fossil Air Force Ones. But I will do a review on that. Please like and subscribe. DeathClaw69. Oh wait, actually no. I'm about to do what they look like on Fate. Well, please like and subscribe. I need a new tripod. I was gonna do a funny sketch, you know, a little something to be dressed up stupid on what they look like on feet. But I'm tired. My girl's almost home and I wanna sleep and masturbate before she gets here. So yeah, she's been on her period, so I've been using her OnlyFans instead. Please like and subscribe her OnlyFans. Like and subscribe to the channel, DeathClub69. But yeah, this is what they look like on feet. I need to take this stupid shit off. Get the fuck out of here. But yeah. Shit. Got the matching shirt, you know. I have to get the Carhatt shirt. No, shit. Oh, you thought it was over? Nah, top view. And before y'all fucking start saying shit in the comments, it's dirty because we're getting the fucking floor replaced. Fuck y'all. Talk shit about my floor.